Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to share my baked chicken Alfredo pasta recipe with you, which is incredibly delicious with creamy Alfredo covered in bubbly cheese straight out of the oven. And if you are looking for an easier version of chicken Alfredo, then do try this recipe. And this chicken Alfredo is easy to customize with extra veggies or different proteins and can be assembled ahead of time. We'll start this recipe by finely chopping a small onion. Then we'll chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Finely chop basil and oregano. Then we'll cut 8 to 10 mushrooms into quarters. Now that our chopping and cutting is done, let's start cooking. We'll start by taking a tablespoon of butter in a heated pan. Then we add chopped garlic. After the garlic slightly changes its color, add chopped onion and cook them until they are soft. After onions, in goes 2 chicken breasts cut into cubes. Add salt and pepper to taste and cook chicken for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or until it is cooked, and then we'll add the mushrooms. This already smells delicious. The chicken and mushrooms, when combined together, release such a fragrant aroma that it is hard to explain in words. Add chopped basil and oregano. To cook the pasta in the chicken and mushrooms, we'll add 2 cups of chicken stock and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Bring it to a boil and then we'll add our pasta. Please make sure the pasta is completely submerged in the liquid. If you find that liquid is not enough to cover the pasta, then you can always add some more chicken stock or a cup of whole milk. Now we'll cook our pasta covered until it is al dente. It means the pasta will still have a little bite. And don't worry if you see the soupy thing going on, the al dente pasta will soak up the liquid. Now coming to the last step, that is baking the pasta covered in cheese. Now remove the pasta in a baking dish and then we'll layer the cheese on top. Here I am using a combination of both Parmesan and Mozzarella cheese. Whenever using grated cheese, try using freshly grated cheese because the store-bought pre-shredded cheese is often coated with anti-caking agents. Anti-caking agents are added to prevent the formation of lumps and for easy packaging and consumption of the product. Now we'll bake our pasta at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Then sprinkle some chopped parsley on top and our baked chicken Alfredo is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.